If you only hear one of the things I'm saying, hear this: if your guinea pig starts coughing and never used to cough, or if you just bought your guinea pig, especially from like a pet store where they didn't see a vet, take them to a vet proficient in guinea pigs. Pocket pet, small pet, exotic, whatever they're called in your area. Guinea pigs can get sick, and they're very fragile creatures. They can get kennel cough, they can get upper respiratory infections. But let's talk about some other possible things that might be going on. I've noticed that Java will eat way faster, and because he's eating too fast, he'll cough. But I know that I just gave him food and I'm watching him eat, just a couple of quick coughs, and then it seems like he's good afterwards. Moist, liquidy foods are especially prone to making Java cough, so tomatoes, strawberries, oranges. He tends to cough a lot with like those juicy fruits. There's one other thing that Java does that causes him to cough. Oh my god, literally right then on cue. He stuffs his whole face into the hay, and that seems to make him cough.